Lecture on the Sutra of the 10 Wholesome Deeds, Part 3, Not Stealing. Dear Dharma friends, welcome to this episode of the podcast provided by the Buddha's Practice Incorporated of Australia. Today, we continue our exploration of the Sutra of the 10 Wholesome Deeds, focusing on the Buddha's teaching on not stealing. 1. The meaning of not stealing. Any act of obtaining something through dishonest means or taking advantage of others is considered stealing, such as taking what is not given. Stealing not only harms others but also wounds our own hearts, bringing endless fear and suffering. 2. The 10 trustworthy merits. If we can refrain from stealing, we will attain 10 trustworthy merits. What are these 10 merits? First, wealth accumulates and remains secure. Those who do not steal naturally amass wealth, which will not be destroyed by rulers, thieves, water, fire, or unfilial children. Conversely, if wealth is often lost or destroyed, it may be the result of past stealing. Thus, true protection against theft begins with guarding our own heart against dishonest intentions. Second, being loved and trusted by many. Those who do not steal are upright and trustworthy, naturally earning the affection and trust of others. Third, freedom from being bullied. If we often feel bullied, it may stem from the karmic effects of past stealing. We should not complain about being too kind or blame the world for being unfair, as this is a mistaken view. Instead, we should reflect on ourselves and refrain from stealing to avoid being mistreated. Fourth, praised by all directions. Those who do not steal, being honest and reliable, are praised by people from all quarters. Fifth, freedom from worry about harm. Many people constantly fear being harmed or disrespected, which is a manifestation of the karmic habits of stealing, resulting in anxiety and dread. In contrast, those who do not steal are free from such fears and remain at ease. Sixth, a good reputation spreads far and wide. The virtuous name of those who do not steal is renowned and spreads in all directions. Seventh, fearlessness in the presence of others. Those who steal live in constant fear of being exposed or blamed, a deep-seated pain that is hard to overcome. However, those who do not steal have a clear conscience and stand confidently among others without fear. Eighth, those who do not steal possess wealth, longevity, resources, strength, peace, and eloquence in full measure, and these bring true happiness rather than sorrow or pain. On the other hand, those who steal, even if they possess wealth, are often plagued by troubles and harm due to their negative karma. Ninth, always harboring the intention to give. Those who do not steal, free from negative habits, naturally delight in giving and consistently cultivate a heart of generosity. Only those with pure and virtuous karma can develop such a mindset, a natural outcome of not stealing. 10th, rebirth in the heavens upon passing. By steadfastly upholding the practice of not stealing, one can be reborn in the heavens at the end of life. The cycle of rebirth is determined by our good or bad deeds. If one commits any of the 10 unwholesome acts, they will fall into hell. If one is one who is able to turn towards the highest perfect illumination, one will later, at the time one becomes Buddha, attain to the realization of the purified great illumination wisdom. 3. Conclusion. Dear friends, refraining from stealing not only ensures the security of our wealth and fosters harmonious relationships, but also brings a heart free from fear and filled with peace. Therefore, let us constantly reflect on our actions and cultivate a heart of generosity. Thank you all for listening.